ba? Kailan namin makikita ang soon-to-be mo and yung soon-to-be mo ng mga kids mo? Para masaya naman pag Christmas party, may tumatakbo dyan sa lab. Na totoong bata at hindi kung ano-ano lang naririnig niyo dyan. Birthday mo, Millie.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Nili. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Millie. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy birthday, Millie. More birthdays to come and good health always. God bless.
Hi, Millie. Happy birthday. God bless. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Maligayang kaarawan, Millie. Sana kumababa ang iyong look. And God bless. More success in life. Hi, Ma'am Melly. Happy birthday. Stay healthy and beautiful. God bless.
Hello, Millie. Happy birthday. Enjoy every minute of your birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Millie. Sana kayanin natin hanggang katapusan.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Millie. God bless. Tatagan mo pa. Laban na.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Millie. More birthdays to come. Sana lumaki ka na.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Millie. Enjoy. God bless.